to give you a bit of a tip, on the bottom of the cookware, there's a acronym. What do you call an acronym? Like for this one, number 1 is SH. That's a shredder. Okay? Shredder, the smaller the number, the smaller the cut. Okay? If you look at number 2, that is ST. It's a stringer. A string cut. Yeah? Number 3, it's a FF, French fryer. You buy a big potato, you can make your own cut for the French fries instead of buying a ready cut one, which makes you spend more money. Number 4 is SL. If there's a number there, it's a SL, that's a slicer. So your slice cut, yeah? And WA is a waffler. It's a waffle cut for your crinkle cut, yeah? Cucumber or potato, crinkle cut potato chips, that's number 5. Now I'm gonna tell you a tip because some people, they don't know what's number 1, what number 2. When I was doing my training, so I bought my set, I was trying the business, part-time, earning extra money. A trainer who is an engineer, Indian guy from Melbourne, came here to train us. There's 11 of us in the batch. All of them are gone, and the only one left. Okay, and he taught us a simple tip how to know which one is number 1, number 2, number 3. I want to share it with you. I don't know if you can comprehend it the way I understood it. For me, it's very helpful. But just so you get something out of me today, number 1 is so easy. Why? There's hundreds of what do you call that? Holes. Yeah? I don't know if there's hundreds here, but just by the look, there's so many. So for me, it's hundreds. That's number 1. Yeah? When you write number 2, I don't know why you write number 2, but this is how we said it, okay? This is not my own invention. When you write number 2, it's all curves, right? So 2 curves. That's why 2 small curves, that's number 2. When you write number 3, it's like you have a tree. You have a big curve. Yeah? It's like a tree, number 3. Number 4, when you write number 4, everything is straight, right? Everything is straight. So everything is straight. That's number 4. How you write number 5?